and thanks for joining me for today's video tutorial. I'm Miss Mallory over at the Idaho Falls Public Library, and today we are going to be making art with bubbles. For today's project, you're going to need watercolor paper. If you don't have watercolor paper, you can use cardboard or any other thick paper that can stand up to moisture. You'll want some food coloring, and of course, bubbles, and bubble wands. The bubbles that we use today were from a bottle that we bought at the store, but you can make your own bubbles at home. There are lots of really fun recipes to try online. So we have red, yellow, blue, and green bubbles. So you'll add your food coloring into your bubble mixture and mix it up. And then all you need to do is get your bubble wand full of bubbles and blow onto your watercolor paper. Not all of your bubbles will hit the paper, and that's okay. There will also be some splatters that'll add to the art. We'll do some green next. And we'll go ahead and move on to our red and yellow and see how that turns out. So what happens is that your bubble mixture is going to hold on to that color, and you're going to be able to see the color come up on your paper when the bubbles pop. So we've gone ahead and done all 4 colors, and we just did a really quick blow with all of them, and we end up with art that looks something like this. Yours is going to look really different, and you can try mixing your food coloring to make your bubbles different colors if you want to do that. We've just got those 4 basic colors on there, but if you mix the red and blue, you could probably get some purple bubbles on there if purple is a color that you really like. You could try for orange with the yellow and the red. So that's today's super simple project that you can make just with bubbles. We have some books at the library that talk about bubbles and bubblegum. This one is called Pop, The Invention of Bubblegum, and it's by Megan McCarthy. This talks all about the origins of bubblegum, how they came up with the idea, and how it became so popular. That's a good one from our nonfiction collection. You can grab it next time you're in the library, or give us a call and we can put it on hold for you. We also have a really great picture book. This one is by Margaret Mahy, and it's called Bubble Trouble. What would happen if you blew a bubble so big that you caught your little brother or sister in it? How do you think the community would react if there was a baby floating by in a bubble? This book lets you know exactly what happens. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoy making your bubble art.